All right, ready?
Yep.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog here at Hidden Heights Farm. I'm Kevin,
I'm Rachel.
and today we are going to share with you a freakishly huge chicken egg that we collected out in the chicken coop from one of our chickens.
It is crazy, guys. I don't know if you can see this. That is the one that we were talking about.
It's hard to compare the size, but we'll show you here. We got several different eggs collected from all the different fowl here at Hidden Heights Farm, and we're going to show you guys the different sizes of these eggs to compare to the large size of this chicken egg.
Okay, guys, so this is a black Spanish turkey egg that we collect here. This is a normal size chicken egg that we collect daily. This is a Banny chicken egg from our Bantam chickens. And this is a quail egg that we have here now on the farm thanks to Dutch over at Keeping It Dutch. And this is the freakishly huge chicken egg that we are talking about here. You can see it is as big or bigger than this turkey egg, which is crazy.
And guys, this egg right here is the same egg that comes from the same breed of chicken as this egg, and you can tell it's almost double in size. So here in a few minutes we are going to get the kids rounded up, and we are going to crack that thing open and see what's actually inside of it. Some people we've showed it to says they think it's a double yolker, and some people said it's just a freakishly weird looking egg. So stay tuned and we will see what's inside. Alright guys, so we're going to take a little walk and we're going to show you guys some of the different chickens that we get our eggs from. And on the quail eggs, we were actually in a trade with Keeping It Dutch, and we traded him a turkey that we hatched here on the farm for 32 quail eggs, and they just actually hatched yesterday. So we'll go show you the baby quail, but we don't actually have any layers yet, so it'll take 6 or 7 weeks to get the quail to start laying their eggs. But let's take a look at the rest of the fowl on the farm. Alright guys, so most of the chickens we have on the farm came from an actual chicken plant that are free range chickens. They grow them out to be about 6-7 months old, and then they sell them. These are the what they call a highline breed, and they are bred just strictly for egg laying, and we have had nothing but great success with them here on the farm as far as egg layers go. And that is one of the roosters we put with them, and he's been doing a great job of keeping the eggs fertile. So let's go take a look at the turkeys. And here's one of the standard breed hens, just popped an egg out. You can see it's still wet. Sorry, I'll give you some privacy now. Alright guys, so we're out here at the turkey pen, and these are our black Spanish Tom and one of the hens. And we got two in here that are still sitting on eggs. Let me get in there to get a better picture. Alright guys, so we have a half black Spanish, half royal palm turkey hen that's sitting on a clutch of eggs, and another black Spanish hen sitting on her eggs as well. And like I said, that's our Tom. Try to get a front view of him. He's kind of camera shy, so anyways, that's our turkeys we have here on the farm. Let's go take a look at the bannies. Alright guys, so one of the turkey hens just got off of her nest of eggs, and you can see that one of the little banny hens has came in and helped her lay some eggs. They have both sharing this nest box, laying both of their eggs in here, and they've both been setting on these clutch of eggs. You can see the size difference between the banny eggs and the turkey eggs. Alright guys, it's kind of hard to see, but there's one of our banny hens. They're mostly old English hens that we have here on the farm that are bannies, and these A lot of our Benny hens right now have a bunch of little babies with them, so they prefer to stay out here in the woods and keep their babies kind of hidden from predators. So, and here is another one of the Benny hens. Here's another one of the Benny hens we have on the farm. These things are broody hens, but they're also mothers, and they will protect their babies to the death if they have to. And here's one of the Benny roosters that we hatched out last year, so he's a year old now. He's been doing a good job keeping these hens fertile.
All right, guys, let's go inside and we are going to crack that egg open and see what is in that freakishly huge chicken egg. So stay with us, we're going to go inside.
Okay guys, so we're out here at the shop where we keep our brooders for our babies that we have growing here. And we want to share with you what a baby Spanish turkey looks like and what a baby quail looks like.
So here's the baby quail. Oh, it's so tiny.
And here is a baby black Spanish turkey. This one is just a couple days old as well, and the quail is just hatched last night actually. So let's get inside and look at that egg. All right guys, so we are ready and excited to see what is in this huge chicken egg. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah.
We're gonna crack it open and see if it is maybe a double yolker.
Ooh.
Or possibly an egg within an egg.
Kaya, what do you think that's in it?
I think maybe it's gonna be like a double
yolker?
Double yolk.
What do you think, Caleb?
an egg inside of an egg.
An egg inside of an egg?
I say it's a double yolker.
I think it's a dragon egg.
Alright, let's see what's in this thing.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
What the heck? Just one big egg.
What?
What?
Huh.
Huh. No double
Weird.
yolker. That is crazy. I cannot believe that was not a double yolker with the
Nope.
size of that.
What?
Alright guys, that's all we've got for today. Thank you for tuning in to the vlog today at Hidden Heights Farm. If you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and we appreciate you guys.